Unlocking the Power of Learning, the Community Workshop. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very useful concept, community workshops. Whether you're a language learner, a hobbyist, or someone interested in community development, understanding what a community workshop is can open doors to new learning and networking opportunities. Let's explore together why community workshops are beneficial and how they can enhance your skills and knowledge. A community workshop is essentially a local event or series of events designed to bring people together to learn, share, and develop skills in a particular area. These workshops can cover a wide range of topics, from arts and crafts, technology, language learning, to gardening, and more. The key aspect of a community workshop is its focus on collective learning and skill sharing in a supportive and interactive environment. Unlike formal classes, workshops are often more hands-on, engaging, and tailored to the community's needs. Participating in community workshops offers numerous benefits, including skill development. You can learn new skills or enhance existing ones in a practical, hands-on setting. Networking. Meet people with similar interests, leading to new friendships and professional connections. Community engagement. By joining these workshops, you're contributing to and becoming an active member of your community. Personal growth. These workshops can boost your confidence, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Finding community workshops in your area can be easier than you think. Here are some tips. Check local community centers. They often host or have information about upcoming workshops. Visit libraries and bulletin boards. Libraries and public bulletin boards frequently have flyers or announcements. Use social media. Facebook groups, Meetup, and other social platforms can be great resources for finding local events. Ask around. Sometimes, word of mouth is the best way to discover hidden gems in your community. We hope this video has shed some light on the wonderful world of community workshops and inspired you to get involved in one near you. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and what better way to continue it than with the support and camaraderie of your local community? Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you at the next workshop.